I am guided by a moral compass. And remember, mind over matter. One man trash is a next man treasure. Yes, I feel blessed. Don't let nobody tell us you can't achieve what you want in a life. You see, just go forth and get it, because guess what? It depends on you. So make sure you put in 100 more than the 100 you put in, and that you're going to get back. You see, just make sure you bring your 100 to the table. Who don't deserve in your circle, don't put them in your circle, because time wasters are nothing but time wasters. Don't put them for your time. People who they aim for prosperity and positivity, keep them the people as a friend, and I guarantee say you will reach. Yeah, prosperity may I preach, I see it in the realest way. So no matter what, no make nobody stop you, nothing at all, no stop. Make sure you maintain a positive vibration all the while, you see it. When you wake up in the morning, you just know, say, yeah, give thanks for a brand new day. And you move forward, make sure you get what you need to get done in the day. 24 hours, but you can make it all 48 if you want to. Marcus Garvey said, without confidence, you lose twice in the race of life. Always put in 100 and guarantee you say you will reap your reward. Trust me upon that. Make sure you connect to the positive energy and you see it. Yeah. And we are talking about billions. We're not talking about riches no more. We are talking about wealth. What may deserve me I go for? You can't give me nothing less. In the realest way. And remember this, and all the while people know what value is. So you have to first value yourself. Know your self-worth and go for what's yours, and don't make nothing stop you. You can't tell me say I come from the ghetto and I can't go reap billions. You can't tell me say I come from the ghetto and enough to be a businessman. You're a madman. Work smart. That's what we do. We are work smart. We know you're in the work hard business. You understand? Work hard. My four parents them don't work hard already. So I go for it. In the realest way. You see it? Yeah. Don't make nobody stop you. Go forth and get what's yours. In the realest way. You see me? Positive energy me I share. Make sure you connect to the positive energy here. In the realest way. Don't make nobody tell you say you can't. Because them afraid to go for it and get it, and them expect you to do the same. I appreciate my viewers, but most of all, my true subscribers. Thanks to people like you, I am able to create jobs within my community. So continue supporting Justin Blake. Remember, wealth is much greater than riches.